Morning.
You must be wondering what we are doing. We are doing a Balinese cooking class.
So we're currently at the market. We were picked up in Ubud, taken on a shuttle to the market. It's about 30 minutes away. We're currently picking up some ingredients and trying out some different foods here. And then we'll be going to the farm a bit later and getting a tour there, and then we'll start our own cooking course. So stay tuned. It's a full day cooking course, so it should be really exciting.
This is called snakeskin fruit. Tastes like dry pineapple or something like that, but it's quite spiky. Just break them right from the top, okay? So, and fill them up.
Spiky.
Quite spiky.
Okay. So I must take this all off, eh?
Yeah.
I'm scared. I don't like trying new fruits.
I don't
know.
It's like a pineapple. Kind of.
Not as strong. You want this big one? It tastes like a pineapple mixed with the texture of an apple, but it's called a snakeskin fruit. You know what it is?
It's quite sweet. This is called sugar mango.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh,
Honey mango. Do you want this other half?
Delicious.
longan fruit.
What is this?
Longan.
Longan.
Long out the side. Oh, don't smell it.
Oh, okay. Hey, I'm going in.
And then smell the skin. Now have a smell.
Tastes like a lychee, but it's like different.
Which is, it tastes really bitter taste, guys. But we are not gonna play with this one today. This is too bitter for us. This is really good for diabetes in time of medicines, you know. Well, we know we have like high sugar level. To balance them, we use this one, guys. Jackfruit and banana. Okay.
Oh, yum.
Very,
You want fried banana? Cheers. This is deep fried banana, and this is deep fried jackfruit.
Galangal flowers. If you heard about Galangal, which is still like ginger family, but it has totally different taste. You know, quite spicy and peppery.
We have just arrived after a 10-minute drive through the forest. We're very deep in the forest.
No
preference.
You meat lovers.
Yeah.
Not lover, but I mean, I don't know.
Not a lover, but I
What you gonna cook regular?
Yes.
Oh, is that too? This is for you. Thank you. This is vegetarian also.
Yeah. That's different. Yeah.
Just trying some jackfruit now. When it was getting peeled, I thought we were going to be getting a durian, but fortunately it's not. Claire scared me there, saying we're going to have durian. But basically we're just at the welcome drinks now, having a coffee and a ginger tea.
Before we cook, guys, you guys have to pick your own vegetable, okay? And the root spices, okay? Which is to get the fresh one, okay? That we call palm tour actually, which is where you're gonna work here to get all of the veggies, root spices, and all of the stuff that we're gonna use today. Okay.
Chop them up by ponytail.
Unit. We get more over there if you want to.
We all look so fabulous.
Mojito spray.
Sorry, dude. We are putting bug spray on because we are going into the garden now to pick our veggies and our herbs and spices. And we got these cute little hats.
Oh, wait. No.
Reminds me of Vietnam.
Oh yeah, anyone still remember with this?
I know.
No? This the Galangal, we call it. It's same family with ginger, but the taste is much strong. Later we're gonna use this one for cooking. We're gonna make our bumbu Bali with this one. Bumbu Bali is like our curry paste.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Today we're gonna use this one to make the curry paste, to make the satay paste also. Yeah, we're using the root spices. We're gonna get some for you. And smell it, yeah, if you want to smell them.
That's good.
About durian.
Yeah.
Yeah. The big trees over there, the trees of the durian.
Adding it. How many did you get there?
3.
Yeah, just put up the whole thing, yeah.
And the root.
And the root also. We're gonna cook the root later.
Oh wow.
No.
Oh no, so we just killed the plant.
Because it's too old already.
Just pick the bok choy out of the ground and then cut the roots off. In the basket he goes.
Already get collard green. It's same family with kale. If you know kale, cabbage.
Yeah.
It's the same family with that. So I need to get 4 leaf per basket. Just a good one. Next vegetable we need is this one. We call this choisin. But you can see the difference at the stem. So the skinny stem. Yeah, normally they use a lot this one in nasi goreng, mee goreng, if you know that. Yeah. Fried rice, fried noodle. So I need to get 5 leaf of this one per basket.
All the way. No.
So did you hear what he said?
5.
The course is 100% organic.
You got one.
That means that they don't use any pesticides or anything in
Yeah.
the planting of their produce. So that's why some of the leaves have holes in them. Because of caterpillars
Blur me out
and
of the
bugs
background.
and things.
Maybe you see the small one pineapple in the market. Yeah, that is the local one. And also there's pink color like that.
Yeah, I saw those.
Yes, that's the local pineapple. And this one, it is the regular one. Right? But the young one, it's ready. When you try the Bali coffee in Bali, yeah, normally we use the Robusta to make it. Also, we grow Arabica. That's the Arabica. Like a coffee luwak. You can eat it. We call this salam leaf. Yeah, there is the same like your bay leaf. Do you have bay leaf? Laurier.
yeah.
Laurier. Laurel. The taste of this one, it's less strong. So like back home, here when you use two salam leaf, back home can be replaced with one of your bay leaf, laurier, or they can make it orange your finger. Yeah, the turmeric.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Turmeric.
Already get?
So good for you. 3, 4. That's a big one.
The grocery shopping is done. Gonna wash the veggies and then get cooking.
Apron. This is smelling delicious. Mix and squeeze.
Sweet and sour tempeh. Alright, starters are done. It's time to start cooking the third dish.
We just made bumbu Bali, which is the base with which they cook pork and chicken and meats. And we just diced up a whole bunch of spices, garlic, ginger, shallots, chilies. We diced that all up and we've made bits like this, and then we will be adding some more spices. But now we are going to go and grind it all together. Okay. Look at my fingers. Hold it like a knife with the wrist.
Hard?
Yes. This one is your job, Livia.
My job.
Yeah.
More pasty, more tasty.
More tasty, more tasty. I'm making Red do this job because I am a weakling. I think he's doing a pretty darn good job of it. Well done, love.
Pink, yellow hands.
More pasty.
Now that the paste is ready, we're on to cooking a chicken curry.
Chicken in here.
We're gonna add water. Now we're mixing our chicken mince with our boom boom barley and our coconuts. Added some kaffir lime and palm sugar. Putting the chicken on these sticks. It's like making a chicken lollipop. No, gaan ons braai.
All of them?
Your lime. All of it. What do you think? More chili maybe?
No.
So good.
Next up is a tuna with sambal. So we're just busy putting together the sambal, and then I think we'll get working on the tuna.
Now put that sauce. When it's done with it, put the sauce on the top.
All the mains are cooked. Time to have a feast.
Well, enjoy, guys.
Thank you. And to finish off the entire day, we end off with a black rice pudding and jackfruit. Yummy.
Alright, we're done. We are stuffed. Maagie's two, oogie's full.
Yeah.
I mean,
Stomach's
Maagie's
full.
full, oogie's too. Anyway, just to summarize, this is Pemilan organic cooking class, about 40 minutes outside of Ubud.
You can find the experience on Airbnb.
We'll put the link below in the description. It was about $30, so well worth it. 6 meals,
Delicious
lots
meals.
of fun, lots of learning.
Yeah.
Really, really cool, interesting insight into Balinese culture. Highly recommend.
Yippee.
Thank you very much for having us. If you guys liked, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to...
If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up and
subscribe if you haven't already.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Just a side note, the staff were absolutely amazing. The instructors were so friendly and funny.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Alright, we're heading back to Ubud. Let's go.